I was making firecracker chicken outside in the air fryer. I was thinking, what am I going to have on the side? Ha! Chow mein. I'd make chow mein in the Instant Pot. Wow. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Look at all those vegetables mixed in with that beautiful chow mein. Oh, and thinking I was going to just steam some broccoli. Well, I'm sure glad we made chow mein. Well, that's me. I am Instant Pot Dave of TheWildWaynes. And cheers to you guys. Let's get this show started. And we'll go ahead and slice some garlic. And then we'll slice some ginger. Thin slice, real nice. That's going to go along real well in our chow mein. We have a quarter red onion we will slice. And we have a quarter sweet red bell pepper. We'll add a little bit of sweetness and some crisp bite to our chow mein. And we're going to go ahead and julienne about 1 carrot, or about 4 or 5 baby carrots. Look at that. Give ourselves a baby bok choy. We'll slice that. I do like the flavor of baby bok choy, and it gives you a lot of great texture in your chow mein. And here we have 2 green onions. We'll go ahead and slice as well. Let those green onions pretty. Alright. And now it's time to go ahead and make that chow mein flavor that we can add to the noodles. With some soy sauce and a little rice wine vinegar. Put some of that sesame oil in there. I love sesame oil, don't you? That's some good stuff. And we're going to go ahead and sweeten it up a little bit with some hoisin sauce. I like the hoisin garlic sauce. It adds a lot more flavor. It's a much bolder sweetness that you can add to your sauce. I go hoisin sauce over any sugar or brown sugar. Then we got a little black pepper and some crushed red pepper and for some flavor and heat. Feel free to leave out the red peppers if you don't want any heat. And we'll go ahead and add some oil to a hot pot and we'll drop our carrots in there. We'll get that carrot flavor to just kind of open its wings a little bit, just to expand its flavor. We'll drop in our red onions. We're gonna warm them up a little bit and just to get that flavor going too. And we'll start off our garlic and ginger in there as well for about 30 seconds. And follow it up with our chicken broth. And let's go get our ramen noodles. We'll get them out of the packages. We'll go ahead and throw away the flavor packets. I used 3 ramen packets. Kind of broke it up and just to get it closer to the broth. Put your lid on, seal it, and pressure cook for 0 minutes. When it beeps at you, kick off that pressure valve. Put a tablespoon of cornstarch in our fabulous chow mein sauce. Go and take the lid off. You can see those noodles aren't quite done yet, but we're not done cooking yet either. Stir those noodles up real good. Drop in that delicious chow mein sauce. And along with our vegetables that we sliced up just a little earlier. Now we have a bag of coleslaw mix, which is red and green cabbage, a little bit more carrots. Mix it up well. Look at that color, isn't that beautiful? Put your lid on for about 5 to 7 minutes until you get your vegetables just the way you want it. A little crisp is how I like mine. If you're looking for something to put on the side of a main dish, go ahead and make some chow mein. I'll tell you, that stuff goes good with everything. My air-fried firecracker chicken. Put a little green onion on top for some flavor. Oh, take a look at what we just did. Alright. That is beautiful. Turned out good. But we use the ramen noodles, and they are so much more fun to eat than that traditional chow mein noodle. So I changed it up a little bit. This chow mein got itself a wow. Just like at the restaurants there. And this chow mein goes just fine with my red wine. If you like what you see here, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell. You'll get notified when we get another video out there for you to watch. Feel free to share us too. We appreciate that. If you are interested in this recipe, there is a link in this video's description that'll take you right to it on our website. And feel free to look around. We have all kinds of fun stuff for you guys. Well, thank you everybody out there for watching. Take care of yourselves out there. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.
Wow!